So here's one for you. I've got to put a clock up in my son's bedroom, which is decorated. So I've got to drill a hole in the wall. I don't want a load of mess. So I'm going to make a little dust catcher. I've been using this since the early 90s. So it's always worked well. You can buy things, but that's all you need. I can't do this one-handed, but I'll show you how it's done if I can. So basically, pull that in slightly, put a bit of electrical tape and fold it around the back. Do that for both sides, gives you a little pocket. Then what I do is I'll put a piece along the top there, but don't have it too wide. You don't want too much of the glue, you want just enough for it to hold it up, but you don't want to be putting this tape on whatever wall you're using and then start peeling the paint off. And if the tape you're using is a bit too tacky, put it on something, you know, lay it out, stretch it out, try and get some of the tack off it, so it's not as sticky. You want it to just hold but not be difficult to get off. Obviously if you're doing a tiled wall or something like that, then you can just fill your boots, but something painted or wallpaper, I never wallpaper, but just test it in a small area first, because you don't want to stick that on there, save all the dust, and then you pull that off and you've wrecked the wall anyway. Right, next stage. There we go, bit of tape across the top, and literally that's all I'm showing at the back. See, I'm peeling off whatever these are. Yeah, she'll be pleased. Anyway, that should give me plenty to hold it up. I'm only doing the one hole. And it, like I say, it's a matte finish paint that I'll be sticking it to. So let's go up there and try that. So here we go, stuck to the wall. And I haven't squeezed it in. I just literally, it's just got to hold it up there so it doesn't peel the paint off. I'm just really lightly touching this because we're only holding dust. It's not holding the weld together or anything. And the principle is this: drill a hole in there, it falls in this pocket. When you're done, put that in the bin. Tidy carpet, happy days. Right, proof of the pudding and all that. I suspect this wall to be some sort of plasterboard, but it's not the drill bit for the job. But all we're interested in is the shit falling in there. There we go. No mess. Happy days. And obviously, once I've checked that hole's alright, and I know I'm done with this, just peel that off gently, chuck it in the bin. Or use it again if you're doing a few things at once. All you've got to do is, when that tape goes a bit tacky, stick another bit slightly higher on top of it. And you just keep going, and you can always tip that out if you're doing loads of stuff. And there you go, a bit of kitchen towels and electrical tape, and away you go. There we are. All done, no mess. And obviously, like all things dad related, whether you are or gonna be or wanna be, that's been on my to-do list for months now. And finally done it. So yeah.
Man, I feel amazing, being on this highlight every single day, and man, it's like a highlight. This is what I bathe in, excited because I know I'm going in places. Everything I want is coming to me. Getting DMs asking how much for a feature. Tell them if it's right on my way. I'll be in the booth every night.